guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do things a little bit differently. Since the rest of the video will pretty much be in English, I figured I might as well just do the entire thing in English. Hope you'll have fun and enjoy a different new experience, and let's see where I'll be taking you guys today. It's gonna be fun. Yes, we're going. Whoa, we made it!
Made it! Every half an hour. Oh yes, that's everyone.
Alrighty, so we're on our way to Hanlan's Point Beach on the Toronto Islands. The Toronto Island is basically just a big park, but highly recommend you to visit it if you ever found yourself in Toronto. The view from the ferry on your way to the island is super worth it. You get to see the entire downtown Toronto skyline. It's super pretty. Highly recommend. But wait, I haven't told you guys yet. Why are we here? Well, I guess you'll know shortly.
And like most actions are around here. You impressed me. This is next level.
Also soccer.
Whoa!
Whoever thought about this?
I don't know, but they're genius.
They're genius.
Yep.
Would you join in, Jen?
Yeah, I would. Totally. This is like, but like think about the sweat that has been accumulated.
I know.
Right?
Imagine in this hot weather.
Imagine.
All right, Jen, why are we here? Why
Are we
here?
actually doing this?
Yeah, we're doing this.
Okay, this is June of 2022. It's actually like the first one in 3 years. Come in, Rajan is totally making us a video.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you guys
here for the humor.
Yes.
But I need to know first, why are we here?
Yeah.
Why are we here? I don't know. Why are we here?
I'm like, I wasn't asked for it. I didn't ask to be born. Like now we're talking about this.
But we're all here to amplify our impact and deliver transformative results for our community.
Exactly.
I love it.
Exactly.
All the good reasons.
It's a hawk.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Really? Oh.
So that is probably still not clear to why we're here. Well, we're here to clean up the beach, pick up some garbage for these piping plovers. These birds are endangered in Ontario, Canada, and internationally too. So we're here to do a little something for these little birds. Cool? Let's gear up! Garbage pickup time!
Oh shit, there are stuff.
Well, there are stuff?
Oh yeah, there are stuff.
I see the green can. Go for the green can.
Like so much plastic. Oh my god.
I'm going for the green can. It's a beer can too!
Oh my god.
Terrible people.
Cigarette butts. But I was like, are they composed?
Well, there are like so much plastic.
There are a lot of
Wow.
Look what you found. Found a toothbrush. What do you find?
Toothpaste, I think.
Toothpaste.
Let me know if you got.
Legit champagne cork.
Oh, to go with the toothbrush. Oh, floss. Toothbrush. We're amazing. So either gate crashing a dentist party or birds are just brushing and flossing and throwing it away and pretending that you know they.
What's that?
It's a jewel cigarette holder or whatever, something like that. There's a lot of cigarettes. There's another piece of.
Oh, that's a lot.
It's a really nice sunglasses too.
I know, right? Just
Here's what Jan found. Oh,
a Chris smile.
Wow.
But actually, no, don't throw shit. Like, this is getting heavy.
I know. These are actually getting really heavy. So it means that we actually found a lot of trash.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like all of us found
All
a
of
lot
us.
trash.
I know.
Which is very surprising.
And we found ridiculous things. Like
what?
sunglasses, like toothbrushes, dental flosses. I don't know.
I was like, this is my third Starbucks, like this, whatever the steering thing that I found. Let's see what this is.
That is a huge piece of plastic.
Yeah. I feel like plastic is
that one's
probably
also
the
a
single
lid.
biggest, like it's the greatest and the worst invention ever.
I know. So Jayo said he found something picture worthy.
I am both grossed and scared by it.
So Jan said that when plastics are from fossil fuel,
Yeah.
then it means that the dinosaurs are plastic
Yeah,
because they
plastics
became
are
plastic.
dinosaurs.
Yeah, plastics are dinosaurs.
Circle of life.
Circle of life. New things I learn. I learn new things every day.
And like one day, like you and I will also become this. So you are essentially picking up yourself and myself.
That is so
in
sad.
that.
That's deep.
That is really
Thank
deep. Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise.
Oh my god, look at all these trash.
Wow. Look at my score.
God.
Oh, look at yours.
Oh, he's
Good
gonna
work.
have to drop it. $1 a piece. Who wants it? By weight or by like?
By weight.
That's pretty good.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
So
Wow.
much trash.
I think we should keep it right in the middle so everyone can see.